A tiny tabby kitten hides inside a crinkly paper bag with only its big round eyes peeking out. Suddenly, boop! A tiny paw pops out from the opening, swiping playfully at the air before quickly retreating inside again. The bag wiggles and rustles as the kitten pounces around inside, having the time of its life. The kitten tumbles headfirst out of the bag, landing softly on a plush rug, its fur ruffled and eyes wide with excitement as it prepares to play again. A playful scene unfolds as the kitten rolls on the floor, the paper bag nearby, while sunlight streams through the window, illuminating its playful antics.